Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a really cool lock. It was sent to me by a very generous subscriber, Jason. If you've been over to my Side Noob side channel, you'll have seen me unpack a huge box, actually 2 boxes sent by Jason, and this was one of the many things that were inside those boxes, and it's very cool. It's a brass Commando Lock. Let me just show you. And I say a normal, they're not normal, they're really great locks, and I'd recommend to any picker. There you go, Commando Lock. This one doesn't have a sprung core, it's what I call a dead core. There's no spring on it, like in an American Lock 1100 series, for example. But it is double ball bearing mechanism, there's serrated pins in there. And yeah, I actually rate them quite highly. I think they're really nice locks. But I thought that what I'd do is try an out of the box pick for this. The keys are there, but we'll leave them in and we'll try and get this out. I hate these plastic things. Ah, there we go. We are in. Good stuff, I'll put that there. And, well, I don't want to touch the keys or really look at them, so I'm going to leave them in there. It says USA Commando Lock. It's a nice, almost Yale style keyway. And I've already pre-chosen a couple of picks and a tensioner. Just going to go some, if I'm going to do an out of the pack, I normally go for things I'm used to. So Southall Max 07B, Sparrows Short Hook, Piece and Gem, 18,000th. And a tension tool, I don't know where it's from, but it was sent to me by Rubber Band, who is a fantastic member of the community and actually runs hooligankeys.com. Anyway, aside from that, I've got some nice tools, a nice lock, and a vise, which I'm just going to pop the lock in to give myself I'll be honest, an extra little advantage if you can vise up a lock. Let me move the packaging out of the way. There's no need to have that there. It's getting in everybody's way. Move some lighting to the front of the lock. There we go. Okay, well, wish me luck. Let's have a go at this. Will tension go into the bottom? Yes, it will. And I can already feel there's no spring on that core. Let me try with the short hook first. The Sparrows one. And I don't know how many pins this has. I'm assuming 5. So let's start. Pin 2. Pin 1, pin 5 or 6, I don't know what it is. And oh my goodness, that is a false set. Look at that. Wasn't expecting that at all. That's a heck of a false set, isn't it? Oh, and is that open? It must be. I can't seem to get my, yeah, oh, that did surprise me. That went a heck of a full set. Like, tiny clicks on a couple of pins, like teeny tiny clicks, then into a whopping full set, and then an open. I mean, I don't know how long that was, but that's way shorter than I was expecting. Let me go look at those keys and see if we can figure out what's going on. But first, can we just look at this? The finish on that is beautiful. There's no like variation in colour here at all. That is gorgeous. I know, I'm addicted to brass. I get it. But let's tip out those keys, hopefully. So we didn't look at this, but it says, I think this is just decoration. 5-star, superior durability and protection, premium anti-pick technology, and total weather resistance. Yeah, I mean, that's cool. It's probably a stainless shackle, and I need to turn back that cord, don't I? Let's just grab a tension tool, turn it back. There we go. So, yep, there is the bitting. Oh, okay, yeah, that'll explain what's happening there. So really, I think I only had to pick 1, 2, and 3 pins. With pins 1 and 2, it is 5 pins being 0 cuts. So that would explain why this was a little easier to pick. If these were just a little bit higher, maybe that would have been a little bit more challenging. But as it happens, yeah, it was a fun out of the pack pick, but probably not representative of other Commando locks that I have picked with different bittings. Here is the bitting on that lock I showed you earlier. There we go. Which does pick a little differently. In fact, let's have a bonus pick of this lock just because we can. We're here. The other one didn't take very long to pick, so let's have a go at this one. I'm going to use the same tension tool, Sparrow short hook again, light tension, and let's have a go. This one, okay. Pin 4, tiny false set, pin 3, nothing, nothing, nothing. Back to 5, little click, nothing on 4, 3 again, 4, 3, tiny click on 2. Oh, touch 3 and we're open. Okay, well maybe that's not a great bitting choice either. Either way, all I can say is I have had some pretty tricky Commando locks. Maybe I've just been picking too many American locks recently. So I'm used to the serrated spool combos. But yeah, I know it sounds silly, I do generally rate these locks. But yeah, there you go. So that's a video. Got a bonus pick in there, which I just decided to do last minute. I really enjoy these locks. If you've ever picked one of these, let me know what you think of the Commando locks too. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to comment about this video, leave a comment. I read them all. I reply to as many as I can. And of course, subscribe if you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this. I really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.